Almost 30 years ago, Ben Chen and Peter Chang started Multigate with just one product. It was a basic dressing pack, and Multigate has evolved into the company that it is today. Proudly Australian, family-run company, and we are now market leader in custom procedure packs and drapes and gowns. We need to innovate to keep at that level that we want to be at as market leader. So to incorporate design, to make us a design-driven, innovative company, can only add to our success and our growth. We have some really clever young industrial designers. We also have a lot of consultants that come in to help us, so we refer to a lot of experts. And we also have a couple of mechanical engineers that work with us, so it's not just about the aesthetic. We want to make sure that the product works, that it's practical, that it works well, and we want it to be beautiful, we want it to be simple, but we want the customers to be delighted with what they're using. They've always felt that Multigate listen. That's feedback that we've had for quite a while, and we just want to foster that even more. We want them to be part of the process. The customer has to be our focus. So it's about developing empathy, listening to the customer, pretty much walk in your customer's shoes. You have to go on the journey with them. You have to try and live the experience with them so you can gain the insights that you need to design the product that will suit them. The scrub nurse is in charge of the theatre that she's running for that day.
There's a patient on the table and they're under anaesthetic, and you don't want them to be under anaesthetic for any longer than they have to.
They are pulled from pillar to post. They are very time pressured.
Having everything you need for that operation, knowing what you're doing, passing instruments to the surgeon.
There's sometimes issues with equipment, with stock levels, with sterilisation, making sure you have everything you need for that procedure.
Yeah, you're really a part of an operation. You have to concentrate all the time, be very focused, because things can change very quickly.
So if we can help provide solutions that assist them in their time management, that give them confidence in the product so that they can let go of some anxiety, so they know that the Multigate product will work. Okay, I can relax. It's always safe, it's always reliable. It reduces some of that pressure with setup time.
It's those little things that make a huge impact. Obviously the engineers and the product designers have a huge part in that, but you can actually tell when a nurse has been involved in the process, and you're more likely to use their products.
So my experience as an ex-scrub nurse can help facilitate that. It helps to just give us that other layer of information. You can't have enough information. We're driven by quality, we're driven by performance, and we want to be a global company, and we want to compete with some really big names out there. And we want to have products that really work for the customer, that are really good quality, and that we're proud of. So bigger and better things to come, for sure.